Hey everybody, if you follow me, you know how much I love Happy Mail. I write letters all the time and I love to send super duper funky mail. Well, today on Make Your Mark, we are making some wax resist stationery using some inexpensive dollar store stationery and my Inktense blocks from Derwent. I'm turning them into sprays and they make a terrific art spray. Now don't forget to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hey. Are you ready? Let's make some beautiful wax resist stationery. Around 200 BC, the Chinese developed the first envelope made from paper. But rather than messages, these simple protective wraps were used to send monetary gifts. The earliest existing pieces of resist dyed fabric were found in Egypt, dating to the 4th century AD. Cloth used for mummy wrappings were sometimes coated with wax, scratched with a sharp stylus, and dyed with a mixture of blood and ashes. Papyrophilia is an obsessive love of paper, but in common usage terms, this extends to an obsessive love of all things stationery. I'm going to leave a link to Derwent and everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press that notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at Mark Montano. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2. And I'll see you next week. Bye.